How's it going, guys? Just want to show everybody my haul from the other day. So I bought 55 cars for $55, and I think it was a pretty good deal. But basically, I went to an indoor flea market, and there was a guy who has a lot of car toy things, and I asked him if he was there setting up or adding some more stuff. I asked him if he was a collector, and he said, "Yeah, why don't you come to my come by the house in a couple hours, and I'll show you my stuff." So I went over there and came back with this box of goodies. So first up, got a '76 Greenwood Corvette carded. Pretty sweet. And we have a custom '64 Galaxy 500. Very cool. And last of the carded ones, a '64 Chevy Nova station wagon. 2013. Alright. Now the loose ones. Got a '67 Camaro? Yeah, 67 Camaro. Hot Wheels race team. Opening hood. All metal. It's in really nice shape. And we have a Johnny Lightning. Very nice for $1. It's in really nice shape. Not sure what make and model that is. Here we've got an old Shelby Cobra. Army style. Got opening hood also. A bit corroded in there. I'll have to clean that up. This one's really cool. This is a Matchbox Oldsmobile Vista Cruiser. It's got 2 dogs in the back window. We love to camp, and dog lover bumper stickers. Really cool. Here we got a nice green Shadow Jet. Front wheels are a little bit wonky, so I don't think it's going to be too fast, but still, I like the Shadow Jets, so couldn't not get it. Might do a wheel swap. There. Nice '71 Plymouth GTX. Really nice shape. And this is a fantasy car. Let's see. I'll have to get my magnifier out here. Riveted. Probably shouldn't have bought that one. And what's this? Forget the name of this one. Another fancy car, but I didn't have this coloring of it. It's kind of cool. And I got a pair of Bone Shakers, which from the top look the same. This one's got some bad wheels, but they are in fact different. So that was cool. I love the Bone Shakers. Here we got an old Mustang. '69 Mustang. Flames. This one's a little dirty. You just need to wash it. You can see it's got big bass speakers in the back window. It's pretty cool. We've got a Datsun Datsun 240Z. Here's the old 57 Chevy, I think, with an 80s style paint job. The orange and purple zebra skin. This is a pretty old one, it looks like. 80, no, it can't be right. 83 T-Bird convertible. Another 57 Chevy. It's nice. Looks like hood opens slightly. We got a Dodge Hot Wheels race team. For some reason, these cars are usually fast. This one's plastic based, though. Another 57 Chevy. And I'm not sure what this is. I think this was a mail-in car, but it says 93 Warner on the bottom. It's a nice shape, though. Really nice silver paint. This one's a little beat up, but still liked it. 70 Pontiac GTO. Here's another Johnny Lightning. And I just noticed that the front bumper is broken off. That's a bummer. Cool car other than that. Got a Plymouth 67 Plymouth GTX. It's a nice shape. This one's kind of cool. It's dated 1977, plastic body. I think it might be a T-Bird, I'm not sure. But got the Gulf decal. And the windows are like blacked out, which is strange. This one, definitely 80s. It's a Matchbox Toyota Supra Turbo. Chrome with pink and purple splatter paint. This is a weird one. This is a 57 Roadster GT or GMTM. These tiny little wheels in the front. Strange. Here we have a 70 Pontiac GTO. Here we got a Ferrari 348. It's a little dinged up, but it's hard to find Ferraris, so I picked it up for $1. This one, I thought when I first picked it up it might be a Super because it's got rubber tires, but it's actually a One Bad Ride car. It's not a Hot Wheel. It's some sort of semi-premium. It's got a plastic base. It's got rubber tires and One Bad Ride. I'd never even heard of these. So. Here we got a purple Matchbox Volkswagen Transport. And here's a Corvette. NFL stuff, decals. We got a Dodge Charger. No, Dodge Demon Challenger. 71. This is a strange one with this matte brown finish. Huge motor. But it is a 64 Chevy Impala. Here we've got a 68 Cougar. A little scratched up on the top. And this is an Audi Avis Quattro. I don't have very many Audis. This one looks like it could be fast. Maybe not. Here we got a Challenger, Dodge Challenger Concept. It's a little dirty. Here we got a Shoebox fancy car. '70 Roadrunner. Very cool. And you got a little Bug. All metal. Very cool. And this is a Dodge Charger. Here we got a Firebird, Pontiac Firebird. This one looks kind of old. Look at this beast, 65 Bonneville. Very cool. And this looks like a Camaro. Can't read the date. Oh, 95 Camaro. Here we got a Hot Wheels Firebird Dragster. This one's pretty old too. It's in nice shape. We got an old Mustang opening hood. This is a Soul Air, I believe. Pretty sure it's a Soul Air. Could be wrong. It might be a Porsche. Alright, 8 more. This is another Johnny Lightning. It's a Chrysler. I'm not sure anything beyond that. Really nice paint. Nice car. Here we got another Shelby Cobra. Looks like the same casting. Yeah. Is that one? don't know what this is. Not sure. Some sort of supercar. I'll have to look that one up. We got 69, custom 69 Chevy pickup. Another Mustang, 92 Ford Mustang. And another Mustang. Even older. The white wall tires. It's pretty sweet. Opening hood. Stamped 1983 on the bottom. And I'm not sure what this is. But it looked nice. And then same color. This is a Mercedes, I think, 380 SEL. It's pretty nice too. And that is it, guys. That's my haul. 55 bucks for all of it. Let me know if you think I did good on that. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.